exercise.
Oh, and with all the snow that
That'll
they get,
fun.
it's worth it.
Boy, I'm keeping my fingers. That's going to cross it. That'll
Hoping
be the
that they will have
situation.
snow.
You're not going to be thinking about snow at all this week, I can guarantee you that. Because the temperature readings, remember how cool it was on Saturday, and Sunday was nice and mild as well? Well, now the temperature readings today are starting to warm up, and it's only going to be getting very, very warm here. In fact, not downright hot, as I mentioned at the start of the newscast, by Thursday and Friday. Beautiful live shot, though, from the top of Brundage, and as you could tell, crystal clear blue skies everywhere. Not a cloud to be found anywhere here across much of central and southern Idaho. On the Doppler radar, there is one little tiny disturbance that's working its way across, looks like southwestern Canada, and that is going to be brushing by the Idaho Panhandle, but it's not going to make its way down here. We're going to just say very, very dry. So temperatures so far today, 79 degrees. The average for this time of the year has not dropped down to 82 degrees for the average daytime high. The average low was 54 last night. We got down to 50 degrees. The clear skies, the light winds, the dry air, it just allowed the temperatures to drop. But look at the record, 95 degrees set back in 2012. There's a potential that by Thursday and Friday we might be toying with record high temperatures. 77 right now in Nampa, Caldwell 79. Mountain Home is at 81 degrees, and McCall right now is at 69 degrees, and this is why the weather is going to be getting so warm. As you look at the satellite picture, notice the big patch of clear skies we have right here across much of the western United States. This is an area of high pressure that is starting to build in across the Great Basin. So as it does, as it builds from the south to the north, it's going to start taking some of that hot, dry desert air and pumping it from the southwest up to the northeast. This high pressure ridge is going to be anchored right over much of the state of Idaho as we get into the end of the week, and that's going to be driving our temperatures in that upward direction, and it's also going to keep us bone dry. Take a look at the computer models through the day tomorrow. There you can see the clear skies all across the Treasure, down into the Magic Valley, and throughout the Great Basin. Now let me advance this and show you what happens on Thursday. Notice the influence of the high pressure pushes any cloud cover that we have up here across the Idaho Panhandle up to the north and to the east. This is a very dry weather pattern, so the blue skies minus the smoke, thank goodness, from all the fires, is going to be the dominant feature. And as a result, we will enjoy lots of sunshine for the next 5 to 6 days. There may be some changes around, looks like Tuesday next week, but the high temperature tomorrow, 87 degrees. On Thursday, 90. On Friday, 92 degrees, and then we'll keep the temperatures very close to 90 degrees as we go through this weekend. The mountains are going to be seeing temperature readings in the 70s and in the 80s this weekend. It's going to be like summertime weather once again. And I can almost guarantee, Brent, that based on the pattern that I'm seeing coming up, that even the mountains will have blue skies and sunshine through this weekend. The high pressure that's building in is so large and it's just so expansive and so strong that it's just going to suppress any moisture at all.
So for those of us enjoying the sunshine, more to enjoy.
More to enjoy, yeah.
All right, good. Thank you, Roland.